Hello friends, welcome to Enjoy Learning. Today we are going to deal with an interesting session, prepositions. But today's session is different. Today we are going to focus on prepositions based on transportation. How do we use it with the different transportation modes? Today we are going to focus on three prepositions: in, on and by. So let's start. First one, in. Where do we use in? We use in when we are inside a small or enclosed vehicle. It means that you may be most probably sitting in that vehicle. You cannot walk or stand. For example, I am in a car. Imagine if you are in a car, are you able to stand? No. Are you able to walk? No. So if your answer is no to these two questions, then you can choose the preposition in. Second one, she is in a taxi. Same. Example 3, he is in a helicopter. 4, we are in a rowboat. 5, they are in a truck. So in all these vehicles, you are fully inside these vehicles, usually seated. You cannot walk or stand. Hope it is clear. Let's move to the second scenario. On. So when we use on? We use on when we are able to stand or move around. That means a person is able to stand, move, or standing or sitting on a surface. Example, I am on a bus. Imagine when you are in a bus, you are able to walk and you are able to stand and you are able to move around. So you have to use the preposition on. She is on a ship. They are on a plane. He is on a bicycle. Bicycle, it's not a closed one, but a person is sitting on the surface. In that situation too, we use the preposition on. Next one, we are on foot, which means a person is walking. And the last example is tourists ride on camels. It's the top of an animal. So this is generally used with large vehicles or animals, particularly when you are able to stand or move around. Okay, now let's see the third one. By. By is used when talking about transportation in a general way. For example, I go to school by bus. That's how I generally travel. She travels by plane. They came by car. We sent the parcel by air. He travels by train. There's no need of articles a or the, just the mode of travel you can say. You need not have to say they came by a car. Instead, you can say they came by car. Hope it is clear. So let's go through a quick summary. The first session is prepositions, the second one is when to use, and the third one is examples. In, when you are sitting inside, especially in a smaller private vehicle. Example, in a car, in a taxi. Next preposition is on. You can use it when you are standing or when you are in a large vehicle or when you are on a surface. Example, on a bus, on foot, on bike. The last one is by. It's used to talk about general travel method. Examples are by train, by car, by sea. Now let's go to a quick practice test. This session is for you. Try to find the answer. You have only three options: in, on, at. Write the answers and post your answers in the comments. Let me go through it. I believe today's session was useful and helpful. For more such engaging and interesting videos, please do subscribe to Enjoy Learning. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.